What's going on YouTube? Today I'm showing you something very cool and interesting from the guys over at Xreart, and it's something that's going to pay homage to your favorite tech device, your favorite piece of electronics. And this happens to be the iPhone, the OG iPhone that started it all, and this is something you can place on your wall. So let's go ahead and take a look at this really cool product from the guys over at Xreart. Once again, this is your favorite electronic device put inside of a frame for everyone to see. Let's check it out in more detail and see what it's all about. Every frame that you buy with your favorite electronic device uses a used device, so it's going to have some scratches, going to have some use and wear, but I think that's something that makes this pretty cool in my opinion. Being a tech nerd, this is a piece of art that I'd very happily place anywhere around my home, and I'm definitely going to show people and I'm going to let people know exactly what it is. Once again, this is the OG iPhone, the iPhone that started it all. What I like about this tech art is not only is it something that I'd be happy to place anywhere around my home, but it's also something that lets people know exactly what it is. So you can see this 3.5-inch screen, which was huge at the time. We've definitely surpassed 3.5 inches these days, but it's displayed nicely and you get a description. You can see the circuit board, you can see the home button, you can see the charger connectors, the cover, the flash drive. You also get a little description of what it is. So it says, the iPhone marked Apple's entry into the cellular phone marketplace, described by Steve Jobs as a widescreen iPod with the touch controls and a revolutionary mobile phone and breakthrough internet communications device. So once again, everything's laid out nicely. You see the earpiece, the SIM card tray. Everything is super cool. What I would like to see Xreart do, and I don't know if they currently do this, but maybe if we'd be able to, as a consumer, send in our old device that meant something to us and have them kind of take it apart and make this nice little piece of artistry for us. That would be something super cool. But they have a whole bunch of devices out there if you're interested in other devices, not just the iPhone. So there's a Game Boy, there's also some Samsung devices, there's a whole bunch of devices on their website. Check my link down below if you're interested in this. I just think it's something super cool and I wanted to show it to you guys, and I know it's a little bit different than what I do on my channel, but it is tech because it is paying homage to that OG iPhone once again, and it's a nice frame as well, so I think it's going to suit anyone's decor. If you're a tech nerd like myself, this goes before the decor. Let me know what you think about it, guys, and if you are interested in it, check my link down below because once again, there's a whole bunch of different devices you can choose from. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about this little piece of tech art. I'll catch you guys in another video.